Listen up. Right now, as you're watching this, your bank account is broadcasting your future to the world. Not your dreams, not your potential, your money. And here's the brutal truth nobody wants to tell you. You're not broke because you don't earn enough. You're broke because you don't invest right. I'm about to reveal the investment strategy that separates the 1% from everyone else. This isn't theory. This isn't some get-rich-quick scheme. This is the exact blueprint that's created more millionaires in the last decade than any other period in human history. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to put your money, how much to invest, and when to move. Let's begin. There are 5 financial levels in this world. Which one are you? Level 1. The survivors. Living paycheck to paycheck, drowning in debt, zero investments. 78% of people are stuck here. Level 2. The savers. You've got an emergency fund, maybe a savings account earning 0.5% while inflation steals 3% yearly. You're losing money by saving it. Level 3. The investors. You've got stocks, maybe a 401k, some index funds. You're playing the game, but you're playing it safe. Average returns, average life. Level 4. The accumulators. Multiple income streams, diversified portfolio, real estate, businesses. You're building serious wealth, but you're still trading time for money. Level 5. The free. Your money works harder than you ever did. Passive income exceeds expenses. You've won the game. Here's the key. Jumping levels requires different strategies at each stage. Using level 5 tactics at level 1 will destroy you. Let me show you the right way. First, let's kill some myths. Investing is risky. Wrong. Not investing is risky. Every day you wait, inflation eats your purchasing power. That $100 today, worth $97 next year without you doing anything. I need thousands to start. Wrong again. You can start with $50. The barrier isn't money, it's knowledge and action. Here's your foundation strategy. Regardless of your level. The 50-30-20 rule is dead. Here's the new formula. 50% essentials from 20% lifestyle, 30% investments. Yes, 30%. Sound impossible? It isn't. Cut the subscriptions you forgot about. Make coffee at home 3 days a week. Stop financing depreciating assets. Emergency fund first. 3 to 6 months of expenses in a high-yield savings account. This isn't an investment. This is your safety net. No safety net means one emergency sends you backwards. Debt elimination next. Credit cards charging 18 to 24% interest. Pay those off before investing in stocks returning 10%. Simple math. Now you're ready to invest. Here's where it gets exciting. The investment pyramid. Bottom to top. Base layer. Index funds. 40% of your investment allocation. S&P 500. Total market index funds. Boring? Yes. Effective? Absolutely. Average return. 10% annually over time. Set it, forget it, get rich slowly. Second layer. Growth stocks. 25% allocation. Tech. Innovation. Companies changing the world. Higher risk, higher reward. Research or use ETFs focused on emerging sectors. Third layer. Real estate, 20% allocation. REITs if you're starting, rental properties when you level up. Real estate has created 90% of the world's millionaires. Physical assets, passive income, tax advantages. Fourth layer. Alternative investments, 10% allocation. Cryptocurrencies, commodities, peer-to-peer lending. High risk, potentially explosive returns. Only invest what you can afford to lose. Top layer. Your business. 5% seed money. The fastest wealth builder is always a successful business. Even a side hustle generating extra investment capital. Dollar cost averaging is your weapon. Invest the same amount every month, regardless of market conditions. Markets down? You're buying discounts. Markets up? Your previous investments are growing. Open a brokerage account today. Vanguard, Fidelity, Schwab, doesn't matter. Just start. Automate everything. Automatic transfers from checking to investment accounts. Remove emotion from the equation. Educate relentlessly. Read one investment book monthly. Follow market news. Understand what you own. Rebalance quarterly. Markets shift, your allocation shifts. Adjust back to your target percentages. Think decades, not days. Wealth building is a marathon. The people panicking over daily market swings stay poor. The people holding for 20 years get rich. Your money sets your level. But here's the secret. You set your money's direction. Every dollar you invest today is a soldier working for your freedom tomorrow. The question isn't whether you can afford to invest. The question is, can you afford not to? Start now. Start small. But start. Your future self